5 foods that are beneficial for eye health. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that helps maintain good vision, especially in low-light conditions. Vitamin A is essential for the functioning of the retina, which is the light-sensitive tissue at the back of the eye. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable containing lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants that are believed to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. These antioxidants protect the eyes from harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. Fish, salmon, tuna, mackerel. These fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. DHA is an integral component of the retina and can help prevent dry eyes and reduce the risk of AMD. Eggs. Eggs are another good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which, as mentioned before, play a vital role in protecting the eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that can help support blood vessels in the eyes and reduce the risk of cataracts. Remember, a balanced diet rich in a variety of nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like zinc and selenium, can contribute to overall eye health. Along with proper nutrition, it's important to protect your eyes from excessive UV exposure, give them regular breaks from digital screens, and visit an eye care professional for routine checkups. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.